morning, guys. So today we're going on a little adventure, me and Yunan, down to Otto River, doing a little biking, fishing. See how it goes. Adventure number 4. Let's get it.
Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream.
We're gonna explore this abandoned boat. That should be the title of this video. You know, clickbait it. Shit. Oh snap! Look at it. That was probably luxury back in the day. Damn.
Are we allowed to get on the boat?
Oh, that looks dope. Damn, this boat's rough. That's so easy. Just caught a nice bass. Best one of the year, personal best. Out of season, kind of illegal, but you know, feds, you can't catch me.
They come unstuck, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man.
Huh. Guy just dropped his rod from up here. Fucking idiot, I swear.
Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer.